Craving rich, smoky tandoori flavour but short on time? This tandoori chicken curry cooks in under 16 minutes. It's low in calories, full of flavour, and when served along the Indian garlic butter rice and Lailah's naan, it's a real Indian feast. We're going to start out by making a marinade. Now, this marinade can be used for a quick marinade with the chicken. You can make it ahead of time for a little bit of meal prep. You can even marinate your chicken and pop it in the freezer for a quick meal option midweek as well. Now, if I was cooking for my family and I worked outside of the kitchen, I would definitely prepare this ahead of time in the morning, put it in the fridge, come home and have it ready to go for dinner. So we've started out with a little bit of Greek yogurt. We use Greek yogurt because it's low in calories and high in protein, and some olive oil as well. And now we're going to add some fresh lemon juice. This tenderizes the lemon and adds a really yummy flavour. We highly recommend using fresh lemon juice. Don't skip on that and use the bottled stuff. It really does not taste very good. Now we have our tandoori masala spice mix. This can be found in the basics section, and I would highly recommend having a batch of this made up in your cupboard ready to go when you have a curry craving, and a little bit of salt. So I'm going to opt for the quick option today and just marinate this while I prepare the rest of the meal. But if I was looking to marinate this for up to 8 hours, I would put it in this bowl and I'd cover it in cling wrap and put it in the fridge. And then if I was looking to freeze the meat marinated, I would put it in a very large Snaplock bag. Make sure the chicken is well coated and then pop it in the freezer. Now you can see how we've cut our chicken is sort of medium-sized chunks. And that delicious marinade is going to go all over it. I'm going to stir that up to combine it well, and then I'm going to just set it aside to marinate. Now, if it's a hot day and you're worried, of course, you can put this in the fridge to marinate, but it should only be sitting here for a few minutes. Now, without washing the mixer bowl, I'm going to add in my ginger and my garlic. We cut ginger into coins when we chop it in the Thermomix because it shortens the ginger fibres, so you don't get those long ginger hairs in your food. And now, just going to repeat that a few times so that my ginger and garlic are finely chopped. Now I want to add my onion and give that a quick chop. Now we're going to add a little bit of olive oil to saute our onion, garlic and spices in. Now that our spices have cooked up a little bit, we're going to add our marinated chicken and all of the marinade into the bowl. I like to scrape everything out just because it's all flavour. We're going to add a little bit of tomato paste and the magic ingredient, some chicken stock concentrate. And that is literally it. So I'm going to give that a really good stir to combine it. But you'll notice that we don't add any cream, no coconut milk and no water to this, because as the chicken's cooking, it releases its own sort of liquid and it combines beautifully with the yogurt to make a luscious, thick curry that you don't have to thicken. Okay, so we're going to put that on now and get that cooking. We'll see how it turns out.